Head-turning Italian styling of the Atlantis 55 is only a prelude to the amenities and functionality of this 55-foot express cruiser. Wide decks with a spacious lounging area provide an excellent entertainment space aboard Bliss. Her swim step leads to the open cockpit, where the amenities include heat and air conditioning, an LCD flat panel television with satellite reception, ice maker, refrigerator, and barbecue. An opening canopy lets the sun shine in. The hydraulically opening garage includes a watercraft launch and a retrieval system. Bliss state-of-the-art helm features top-of-the-line navigation electronics, controls, monitors, as well as bow and stern thrusters. Step down through the companionway to the main salon that includes a galley and entertainment area. Large, comfortable couches with adjustable sculptured cocktail tables provide seating. The salon features a large flat panel display combined with a Bose surround sound system. The galley sports clean lines with covers for the deep sink and large ice well. Behind cabinet doors, you'll find storage for galley supplies, dedicated storage for dishware and cutlery, a spacious refrigerator and microwave. The 2-burner induction cooktop completes the equipment. Located amidships in their own space is the laundry center and backup refrigerator. Each of the 3 sleeping cabins has zone heat and air conditioning, television and music systems. The aft master cabin features a queen berth, opening ports, generous storage, and an ensuite head with separate stall shower. The forward master stateroom has a walk-around queen-size berth with a deck hatch above. The ensuite head has a separate stall shower and reinforced glass sink. The Gobbi Atlantis 55 provides a smooth ride and is a true family cruiser with eye-catching good looks. Come experience Bliss in Santa Barbara.